gang, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Mika, back at it again with another video. So let's go ahead and make sure you're subscribed to the channel and your notification bell is turned on. Alright, so as you guys see, I have me some curved nail tips, some hawk nail tips, whatever you want to call them, and I got these off of Amazon. It came with two boxes, the natural color tips and the clear color tips as well, but in today's video I will be using the natural cover tips, and I'm just showing you guys how they how they size out or whatever, the length. And y'all, I really love these nail tips, but I already have mine sized out up to the right hand corner, and I did go ahead and apply these with my peel off base coat method and with the Savalance 4-in-1 nail glue. Y'all, do y'all see that curve? That is a claw, honey. That is like an eagle claw. It is curved to the gods. That's a chicken nail. That is what my friends say, ghetto girl nails. Yeah, so I am feeling it. I am loving it. I recorded this video on a Friday, y'all, and I ain't take these bad boys off until Sunday night, and I loved them. So with this set, I'm just gonna keep it simple because we're gonna do some nail art, and I'm just going in with some Model 1's clear polygel. Now, as y'all know, for me to warm up my polygel, because sometimes polygel is stiff, depending on the temperature in your room and things like that, it can control the consistency of the polygel. So y'all know I like to have my polygel warm up between my thighs or whatever while I'm putting on my nail tips. So that's what happened. So it was a little runny, a little sticky at first, but whatever. But y'all, for these nail tips, I really just it kind of took me a while to kind of get the hang of it, to go with the curve, but I love it. I actually love it. I'm still doing my walk it down. You want to walk it down the nail. I'm still doing that method. I'm still using the 2 bead method. I am just going to include my index and my pinky finger because oddly, I don't know where the other clips went. I mean, I recorded it, but I only have the 1 bead application, and that's just the body of the nail. There's no cuticle film or nothing. So I'm sorry about that, y'all, but trust and believe I will be using these nail tips again. So this is not the first time, and this is not the last time. Well, this is the first time, but this is not the last time y'all gonna see these nail tips, okay? So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and allow y'all to see how I apply the polygel onto my index and my pinky finger. So we have all of our clear polygel applied onto the nails. I did cure them in the lamp for a total of 60 seconds. Now it's time to go ahead and file, shape, and buff the nails. I am pulling back some of my skin so I can go ahead and get underneath and get that shape together. Now, it was a little complicated to file underneath the nail, only because it's a curve, and you know, this is my first time working with a curve, but baby, when I tell you I make these nails work, watch it. Just go ahead and watch the shaping and filing. Okay, so I left a little clip of me shaping, filing, and buffing the nails. So this is how the nails are looking, all file, shaped, buffed, and cleaned off. I kept the shape, you know, they not thick, they are just right. Like I went to the salon and got them done, right? They look good, don't they? All right, so now I am going to apply a base coat on top of all of the nails so we can go ahead and go in with our nail art. So the base coat is all applied, and I did cure those in the lamp for 60 seconds. Now I am going to go in with this jelly nude gel polish that I got off of Amazon, and it's the shade 1301, and I'm just going to apply one coat on camera and the second coat is going to be off camera. So the base coat, well, not the base coat, but the base color is all applied, the 1301. That is the second shade, and I did cure it for a total of 60 seconds. Now I'm just gonna go in and put on different colors such as a green, a blue, and a gray randomly on the nails. No specific order, but just randomly on the nails. So now that all of the colors are cured into place for a total of 60 seconds, I am going to go in with a liner brush and the color black, and I am going to create some lines. Also, when I did apply the colors, I did do a flash cure in between each color before I put it down, and I'm going to do the same thing when I do these black lines. I'm going to do all of my black lines onto all of the nails, and then I'm going to go in with the white gel polish and create some lines as well. Now that all of our lines are cured into place, I am going to go in with a dotting tool, and I'm going to go in with the same white polish and the same black polish, and I'm going to apply dots onto the nails. There's no particular order where you should put these. I just put them anywhere pretty much, and there's no limit on how many you should put. I just kind of do like maybe 2 rows of white dots, maybe like 2 to 3 rows of white dots and 2 to 3 rows of black dots. So now we are done with our nail art. I am going to go in with the McCart's rhinestone glue, and I was looking for some matching bling to go onto all of the nails, but I just decided to go with one bling onto the ring finger, and I'm just going to be using an AB dollar sign and just curing that into place. Gabby says hello, you guys. But yeah, now I'm just gonna go ahead and cure that into place, and once that's cured into place, I am going to go on top of the nails with a juicy layer of top coat and cure that for a total of 60 seconds. Alright, you guys, so I really liked how these nails turned out. Like I said, I did not take these nails off until Sunday. I did the set on Friday and didn't take them off till Sunday. Like, I really enjoyed doing these nails. I really liked how they came out. I love the curve, like, oh my gosh. But if you like the set, go ahead and comment down below, like the video. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I really would appreciate it. I love you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below, let me know what you think of this nail set. Let me know if you would ever wear like Hulk nails, curved nails, however you want to call it. Just comment down below, let me know how you feel about the set. Again, I really enjoyed the set. Like, there's so many clips that I did with the set. I did a clip outside. Like, I just really love this nail set, y'all. But I love you guys, and I don't have to say it twice. Bye.